Hey guys, welcome back to another tech tip and guide video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can permanently delete your Eharmony account. So first of all, go to the Eharmony website and from there, log into your account. And once you've logged into your account, on the top right corner of the screen, you can see an option with your profile picture on it. Click on it and then click Data and Settings. After that, scroll down and there you can see an option named Profile Visibility. And there you can see that it says to delete your account permanently, please click here. So you'll have to click on the word here, which is in blue. And then to delete your account, you have to enter your password. So go ahead and enter your password. After that, delete profile and there you have it. You have successfully deleted your Eharmony account's profile. So that is it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, please make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more informational and helpful videos like these.